I would say, if you're thinking of it, if you're drawn to PSYCH-K in any way, please take the workshop, because it'll change your life. If you're drawn to it, you're meant to do it. And see that voice, or that voice in your head that has said, PSYCH-K looks interesting, or what about PSYCH-K? See if you've come across it at all. You're meant to do it. You really are meant to do it. And just go and do it. Just jump in. And my advice is, see when you go and do it, just give it everything you have, because what you put in, you will get out 10 times over. I'm telling you, it's like everything. What you put in, you get out, and definitely with PSYCH-K. The more I've put into PSYCH-K, the more I've got out of it. So definitely do it.
Do it, absolutely do it. It's you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. It really is. I mean, I've tried various modalities for things, and this is the one that I think has made the biggest difference, and one that I'm looking at investing time and money in it to take beyond my own use of it, take it out into the wider community. So definitely go for it.
Just go and talk to somebody that's done PSYCH-K. Have a balance. Talk to a facilitator. You just can't. I can't underline enough how many shifts and changes I've seen in my clients, my fans, myself. I have seen years of trauma released in minutes from people. I've seen people go from feeling like, you know, having deep self-worth issues, turning around and becoming the most confident individuals that they could. It's all about stepping into our power. So if you want to step into your power, just try it. What have you got to lose would be my question. What have you got to lose?
If you're considering PSYCH-K and are on the fence about it, I would say just 100% just go and book yourself onto the basic, and you will be completely hooked. It is absolutely life-changing, and throughout my career as a psychologist, I've done millions of courses you cannot even imagine. PSYCH-K is hands down the absolute best.